Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Glam21 Pocket Pass all-in-one makeup face palette, a travel-friendly VIP pass that's got everything you need for a full face look in one tiny package. This kit comes with eyeshadows, a compact blush highlighter, and even brushes, so let's dive in and see if it's worth the hype. First off, the packaging. It's sleek, compact, and fits right in your pocket with a built-in mirror, perfect for travel or quick touch-ups anywhere. Inside, we've got an eyeshadow palette with 6 shades, a mix of mattes and shimmers from soft nudes to bold pops. I swatched a few, and wow, the pigmentation is impressive. Creamy and blendable with minimal fallout. Just tap your brush and you're good. I used a matte shade as a base and a shimmer on my lids, and it's giving me that effortless glam vibe. Next, the blush, a gorgeous rosy shade that's super smooth. I applied it to my cheeks and it blends out so easily, giving a natural flush that lasts all day. Love how it brightens my face. Then the highlighter, it's a radiant, glowy shade that's not too glittery. I dabbed it on my cheekbones and brow bone and it catches the light perfectly for that lit from within look. The compact powder is a game changer. I dusted it over my T-zone and it sets everything with a soft, matte finish. No shine even after hours. Oh, and the brushes. 2 small ones included right in the palette. They're soft and great for blending eyeshadow or touching up the blush. This kit is all about convenience. It's highly pigmented, travel-friendly, and perfect for beginners or anyone wanting a quick all-in-one solution. It's not luxury. The shades could be a tad richer, but for the price, it's a total steal. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this palette. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next.